Running a small business means handling so many different tasks every day. Talking to customers, answering messages, following up on leads, tracking sales, managing support requests, and many more. When you start getting too many contacts or your team begins to grow, it becomes hard to remember every detail about every customer. This is where a CRM tool becomes extremely helpful. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it helps the small businesses to keep all customer data, communication, sales history, and follow-ups in one organized place. In this video, I will explain the best CRM tools for a small business in a simple way. You can understand how each one helps your daily work and what makes them special. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to check out the CRM tools I mentioned in this video. By using the description link, any available benefits or special access that will be applied automatically, so you get the best experience without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of this video. First, a CRM tool helps you organize all your customer contacts and conversions in one place. Instead of storing names, messages in different apps or spreadsheets, a CRM centralizes all customer information. This means you always know what's been said, when to follow up, and how to keep the relationship moving forward without forgetting anything important. A CRM can also track sales pipelines, automate reminders, and help you communicate better with customers. One of the easiest CRM tool for small business is HubSpot CRM. HubSpot offers a free plan that is really powerful for beginners. With this CRM, you can manage your contacts, schedule meeting, track email opens, and set simple reminders to follow up with your leads. The interface is very clean and intuitive, which makes it easy for business owners and team members to start using it without any technical training. HubSpot also includes a simple automation, so you can send the automated messages or reminders without manual work. Another popular option is Pipedrive. Pipedrive focuses on helping you track your sales process visually. It shows your leads and deals in a pipeline view, so you can easily see what stage each customer is in. Many small business owners like this because it gives a clear picture of ongoing deals and next steps. Pipedrive also includes activity reminders and basic automation to help you stay organized and close sales faster. It's known for being user-friendly and easy to adopt for teams with limited CRM experience. For business that send a lot of emails and want more marketing integration, Zoho CRM is a strong choice. Zoho offers contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, and integration with email, social media, and other business tools. Zoho CRM works well for small business that want both basic CRM features and stronger marketing tools from the same system. You can set up the email campaigns, you can track the results, and use built-in analytics to improve your outreach. Zoho also scales well, so as your business grows, you can add more features over time. Another tool that small business often consider is Freshsales from the Freshwork family. Freshsales is designed for the simple sales tracking, lead scoring, and contact management. It includes an easy-to-understand dashboard and automation for routine tasks. If your business receives lots of inquiries from different channels, Freshsales helps bring everything into a unified inbox, so no message gets missed. This makes it a great option for service-based business that depend on quick customer responses. There are also tools like Salesforce, which bring the power of a large enterprise CRM into a small business vision. Salesforce Essentials includes the opportunity, the tracking, lead capture, contact management, and basic automation. It connects with many other apps, so you can expand with your CRM as your business grows. If you want marketing and CRM combined, Zoho CRM offers strong tools for email and automation. And if your business deals with many communication channels or want a unified inbox, then Freshsales can help you stay on the top of this every CRMs. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who is looking to organize their customer relationships better. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.